Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are staying safe. Now I'm very excited for today's video because I have got for you not one, not two, but three amazing and beautiful masks which works wonders for your skin. Now I have been using these masks almost for ages now. Like I started using them when I was a teenager and I haven't stopped using them ever since. The ingredients are so basic that they are easily available in your kitchen, so you need not go and find the ingredients somewhere else. Now, and they work so great that the masks work for every skin type. If you're an oily, if you're a combination, or if you are a dry skin, you are definitely going to have results from these masks. I'm going to introduce you to the ingredients as we move ahead in this video, and also I'm going to tell you the benefits of the mask and how they exactly work on your face. I haven't got acne scars or breakouts ever since I've started using these masks. Every time I use these masks, I see results in my face, and that's the reason I've been using them from so long. I hope you like this video. I hope you like these masks and these masks give you the same results that they have given me as well. So now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Guys, the first mask that we have here is a coffee mask. Now for that we'll need 1 spoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of honey. You can take any coffee, just ensure that you have fine granules present in the coffee so that it acts as an exfoliator as well. Now since this is going to be a thick paste, just add a little bit of water so that we get a consistency which makes it easier to be applied on your face. So now guys, before applying anything on your face, always ensure that you do a patch test first so that you know that the product that you're applying on your face suits your skin and you're not allergic to it. Now before starting to apply the mask, I have washed my face with a face wash, so it's clean. I haven't applied anything after that. I'm directly applying the mask on my face, and to apply the mask I'm using this clean brush. This is a mask brush I got from a local store. Now I have a habit of always cleaning my brush after I use them with a Dettol solution or a Savlon solution. This ensures that there are no bacteria present in the brush. Now coming back to the mask, coffee and honey is a great product for your face. Coffee is a great exfoliating agent. Caffeine that is present in coffee helps to tighten your skin, hence your pores are reduced. Now we all know that honey is a great moisturizer and it hydrates our skin, but honey also balances the bacteria which is present on our face, and it makes it a great product for acne. Honey also speeds up the skin's healing process. So if you are someone who have active acne, you can just apply honey on your face and it will help to reduce the acne. Honey it itself has some anti-inflammatory properties. Now if you are someone who gets puffiness under your eyes or over your overall on your face, you can use this mask in the morning and you can see visible results, reducing in the puffiness of your eyes. And above all, this mask smells so delicious and amazing. Second mask that I have for you is a matcha mask, and for that we will need 1 spoon of green matcha tea. In that I'm going to add 1 spoon of aloe vera. Now you can get matcha in a local drugstore or in a local medical near you. It's very easily available. Now after this I'm going to add the main ingredient of this mask, and that is half a tablespoon of glycerin. Now I'm just going to give it a nice whisk. Now glycerin is really great for your skin. It moisturizes your skin. It locks actually the moisture that is there in your skin, and it slows down the aging process. The glycerin I'm using is this glycerin from Joy Vijay. I got this from a local drugstore again. I am doing a patch test of this mask as well. Now I do not do a patch test every time I apply, but I'm just showing it to you so that you do it before applying on your face directly. Again, I've washed my face and I am applying this mask. Now let's talk about the other two ingredients present in this mask. One is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great soothing agent. It hydrates the skin. It gives an instant glow. Also, it has anti-inflammatory properties. So if you have any allergies or if you have active acne, or if you have any red rashes due to sunburn or sunburn, it soothes your skin and it instantly gives you a cooling effect. Now, talking about the green matcha ingredient, the caffeine that is present in green matcha not only reduces and shrinks your pores, but it also is great to reduce puffiness and dark circles around your eyes. It just gives you a refreshed look. Caffeine also includes anti-aging properties, which will help to decrease the wrinkle formation of your skin. Now, green matcha decreases the skin roughness as it contains the epigallocitinin gallate, which is also known as EGCG. It also contains chlorophyll, which is not only a natural antibacterial agent, but it also reduces the removes the excess oil which is present in your skin, which helps to eliminate the bacteria which causes the bacterial acne. Now you can keep this mask for around 15-20 minutes, and once this is dried out, you can apply some water and massage in circular motion so that it exfoliates your skin as well. Now the third and the last mask I have for you is a yogurt ginger mask, for which we'll need 1 spoon of yogurt. I have taken a full fat uh, non-flavored yogurt over here, and then I'm adding one pinch of ginger, and then I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric in this mixture and just going to give it a nice whisk to form into a consistency. So this is the consistency we would need, and again I would insist you to do a patch test first before applying it directly to your face, especially this mask, because it contains ginger, and ginger can give you a little ticklish sensation. Little ticklish sensation is fine, but if you start getting burning sensations, I would not recommend you to use this mask. Now this mask is worked wonders for my skin because it has even toned my skin. It always gives me a natural glow. Yogurt in this mask has zinc and lactic acid. Now lactic acid is great for exfoliation. Zinc, on the other hand, reduces sunspots and scars. Yogurt in general does have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. So if you are someone who are struggling with acne or active acne, you can definitely use this on your acne. Now talking about the main ingredient of this mask, which is ginger. Now ginger is packed with more than 40 antioxidants and it fights signs of aging. It not only flushes out the toxins from your skin, but it also helps in blood circulation. So if you are someone who is suffering from breakouts, or who is suffering from breakouts from a long time, you can apply this ginger powder mixed with some rose water and just apply it on your breakout or on your acne, or even you can apply it on your scars. Ginger works as magic on scars and pigmentation. It is one of the greatest ingredient you can use on your face. Wash this mask with warm water and never forget to moisturize your face after using a mask. I hope you like this video, guys. I hope these masks work wonders for you as well, just the way it has worked for me for so many years. Now if you have any concerns or doubts regarding these masks or the ingredients, you can definitely reach me out on my Instagram handle, or you can just comment below. If you are new here, or if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. And until we meet for the next time, guys, stay healthy, stay safe, and be beautiful.